I'm Sue Frieders and I'm making chicken fettuccine Alfredo today. And what I've already done is I took 2 pounds of chicken, cut it into cubes, and marinated it with a McCormick's peppercorn and garlic. I have done also the chipotle pepper, which is awesome in this. All it needs for this marinade is a 1/4 cup of oil, a 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. In the meantime, I have put a pot on to boil, and I will be using 1 pound of fettuccine noodles. And so I let this sit for 15 minutes. I let the water boil, and I'll be right back to you. All right, this is marinated for 15 minutes, and so now I'm going to brown the chicken in 2 tablespoons of butter. In the meantime, my pot is almost to boil, and I'll throw in a pound of fettuccine. And in this pot, I'll be doing the sauce. So let me just throw this and I'll be back again. Hi, as I brown my chicken, the water is now boiling. I'm going to add my 1 pound of fettuccine to the water. And in my saucepan, I am going to start cooking 2 sticks of butter, 1/4 of whipping cream, 1½ cups of Parmesan, ½ cup of Romano, 4 cloves of garlic, and then of course Philadelphia cream cheese. But first, we'll get the butter melting in the pot. Get a spoon. All right. And we'll melt this down first. And then we'll add our cream. My butter is now melted, so now I'm going to add the 2 pints or 1/4 of heavy whipping cream. Whipped cream. I always say that wrong, sorry. We'll add this and let it cook while stirring constantly for 20 minutes. But during this time, I'll go ahead and add the 2 teaspoons of salt and I would say a minimum of 4 cloves of garlic. I love garlic. So I'll grate that and put it in. I like to bring it down, condense it just a little before I add the Philadelphia cream cheese and the other cheeses, the Romano and the Parmesan. It takes about 20 minutes to bring this down, and then I add the cheeses for another 10, so it's about 30 minutes. Okay. I missed that one. All right. I'll return as soon as this cooks down a little. The noodles are now cooked and are set aside. I drained them. In that water, when I cooked the noodles, I did add some salt and a little oil and then cooked them according to directions, 10 minutes. My chicken is now done, and I'm setting that aside to remain warm for a few minutes. It's cubed, cut up, and marinated. Now to my heavy cream. It is now condensed down, slightly. You can see it started off up here and now we've lowered it down here. So now I'm going to add the Philadelphia cream cheese, the Romano, ½ cup of Romano, 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, and 1½ cups of Parmesan. So in this goes. And you know what? I am hoping this is a big enough pot. If not, we might be changing pots before this is finished. All right, let me just add this. And then I'll just say a little prayer here. And then the 1½ cups of Parmesan. And we are going to cook this until it's thickened. So I'll be back after it thickens. Hi, we're at the very end now. Can you come in a little closer and let them see the thickened sauce? You can see it is thickened up now to create the Alfredo sauce. We cooked it down until about this consistency, maybe just a little thicker. And then over in this pot, there's the chicken and the noodles, and I'm just going to be pouring the sauce onto the chicken and noodles and mixing. I'll let you, okay, give me 1 second and I'll let you see the finished product. Okay, here's the finished fettuccine, chicken fettuccine Alfredo. All I did was mix the sauce together with the chicken and the noodles and a sprinkle of parsley. Maybe this is what you could have for dinner tonight. Good luck!